Hi, welcome to Quilt Chat. I'm Donna Holmes and I am with
Donna Robertson.
Hey, Donna, we get a lot of requests for big blocks.
We sure do.
And I know that we have something really fun and free on our website.
Yes, ma'am.
10 big block stash buster quilt patterns. And I think you can probably tell us some fun things about this.
I can. First of all, when I first started designing the 3-yard quilts, at that particular point, all of the little prints had kind of gone away, and I opened one box and I had this huge flower, and I thought, what am I supposed to do with this huge flower? And so I started creating big blocks so that you could see more of the fabric. Now, fabric's come and gone, and we have small prints and large prints and middle size, but let me tell you, a big block will go together really fast. Let me give you one example here. This quilt is called Tic Tac, and it has the big blocks, but it actually has 2 different fabrics. So it has the focus fabric, the number 1 fabric, and then the number 2 fabric. I chose to use 2 big prints, and then we sashed it with the number 3 fabric. So we'll put that up there and talk about some of these. That particular one is in the book, Easy Peasy 3-Yard Quilts. Now, when I designed this pattern, I deliberately left all half-square triangles out. A lot of people were afraid of half-square triangles because they hadn't sewn that much. So every single pattern in this book is made with squares only, no half-square triangles.
Oh, that's a great one.
And these are some of our best books for those large blocks. We have Quilt Favorites, which is a download only, and then we have the 2nd edition of Quick and Easy 3-Yard Quilts, and this is a great book. It has some super ones in that. Now, what we have here are 4 books that are all really good for this.
Okay.
But we also have a sheet that shows the actual patterns, because they're not only available in a book, they're available as an individual pattern as well.
Right. That, this is a good one to remember, for them to remember when they choose their quilt kit.
That's right.
If
and
they
you
need
can
something
just
fast.
download that and put it on your bulletin board.
Yeah,
and then
there
you
you
can
go.
look at it all the time whenever you're in a hurry and you want to find a big block quilt.
Right. It's right on our website under free goodies. You can find the link to download that and have it right there and available.
Awesome.
Well, we hope that this was helpful and that you learned some good tips today. We'll see you next time.